Amoxicillin is a common antibiotic prescribed for bacterial infections. It is widely sold under brand names such as Amoxil, Moxilin, and Somox. Amoxicillin belongs to the penicillin group of antibiotics. It works by stopping bacteria from building their cell walls, which kills the infection. It is commonly prescribed for chest infections, sinusitis, ear infections, and some stomach ulcers caused by Helicobacter pylori. Amoxicillin can be used by most adults and children, but it may not be suitable for everyone. Inform your doctor if you have any of the following. Ever had an allergic reaction to penicillins, have liver or kidney problems, or recently had or are due to have vaccinations? Amoxicillin is only available on prescription. It comes as capsules, tablets, or liquid. You can take it with or without food, but taking it with a meal may help reduce side effects, such as upset stomach. Always swallow tablets whole with water. For liquid forms, use the measuring syringe or spoon provided. But never use a kitchen teaspoon. It is important to keep in mind that, even if you start feeling better, complete the full course to prevent antibiotic resistance. Common side effects of amoxicillin may include nausea and diarrhea. It can also cause some serious but rare side effects such as severe diarrhea, jaundice, unexplained bruising or rash, muscle or joint pain. Seek urgent medical help if they occur. About 1 in 15 people are allergic to penicillin antibiotics. Mild reactions cause rashes, but rarely it can trigger anaphylaxis, sudden swelling of the lips, face, or tongue, and breathing difficulty. This is a medical emergency. Call for medical help immediately. If you have any concerns about your medication, contact your care team or pharmacist.